An outdoor swing is much more than just a seat. It is a place where memories are created, conversations flow naturally, and relaxation becomes part of everyday life. Whether you have a cozy porch, a spacious pergola, or a small backyard retreat, the right swing can completely transform the atmosphere of your outdoor space. From classic wooden swings to modern hanging daybeds, today's outdoor swing designs offer comfort, beauty, and functionality for every age group and style preference. Welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor and indoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos which we have planned after this video. Have you ever looked at an empty porch and felt like something important was missing? What if that missing piece wasn't expensive furniture? What if one simple addition could make the entire space feel welcoming? Could a swing instantly create a cozy gathering spot? Why do some porches feel inviting while others feel unfinished? What makes people naturally want to sit and stay longer? Could comfort and style come from a single design feature? Stay with us because the answer might completely change how you view your outdoor space. What's one outdoor feature you believe instantly makes a space feel more welcoming? Think about it as we continue. Why are outdoor swings becoming one of the most desired backyard features today? Is it simply because they look beautiful? Or is there something deeper behind their popularity? Why do homeowners of every age seem drawn to them? What makes a swing different from ordinary outdoor seating? Could it be the movement, the comfort, or the experience? Why are designers including them in so many modern outdoor projects? The reason may surprise you. Take a moment to imagine your ideal outdoor retreat and consider what elements would make it truly relaxing. Can a swing actually make your porch feel larger and more inviting? How can a piece of furniture affect the entire atmosphere? Could open, airy designs improve visual space? What swing styles work best for smaller porches? Why do designers often choose hanging furniture over bulky seating? Can strategic placement improve both beauty and functionality? What simple adjustments create the biggest impact? The answer could completely change your layout plans. Think about the outdoor areas you use most, and how better design choices could improve them. Which outdoor swing style fits your personality best? Do you love rustic farmhouse charm? Are you drawn to sleek modern designs? Would a boho-inspired hanging chair match your taste? Do classic wooden porch swings still offer timeless appeal? Could a luxurious swing bed become your favorite escape? Which design reflects your lifestyle most accurately? Let's explore the possibilities. Everyone has a unique design style. Consider which outdoor aesthetic feels most like home to you. What makes a pergola swing feel so magical? Is it the shade overhead? The gentle movement in the breeze? The feeling of having a private retreat outdoors? Why do pergola swings often become the focal point of a backyard? Can they create a resort-like experience at home? What design elements make them truly unforgettable? The details make all the difference. Picture your perfect relaxation spot and notice what features would help create that atmosphere. Are outdoor swings only for adults? Why do children naturally love swings? Can seniors benefit from them as well? What designs work best for families? How can one swing accommodate multiple generations? What safety features should be considered? Can outdoor swings bring family members together more often? You might be surprised by how versatile they are. Think about ways outdoor spaces can encourage more quality time with family and friends. Could a swing become the most used seat in your entire home? What makes people return to it again and again? Is comfort the only reason? Could emotional connection play a role? Why do outdoor swings often become favorite reading spots? What makes them ideal for morning coffee or evening relaxation? Can a simple swing improve daily routines? The answer goes beyond design alone. Consider the small daily habits that bring the most joy and how your environment can support them. What are the biggest mistakes people make when choosing an outdoor swing? Is selecting the wrong size a common issue? What happens when style outweighs comfort? Why does placement matter so much? Can poor material choices shorten a swing's lifespan? What installation mistakes should be avoided? How can homeowners make smarter decisions? Knowing these mistakes could save time and money. Good design often starts with avoiding common mistakes. Keep these lessons in mind for future projects. How can you make an outdoor swing look professionally styled? Do cushions make a major difference? What role do throw pillows play? Can lighting transform the entire experience? How important are surrounding plants? Should color coordination be considered? What simple upgrades create luxury without a huge budget? The results can be remarkable. Look around your current outdoor space and identify one small change that could make a noticeable difference. Could the perfect outdoor swing completely transform how you enjoy your home? What if relaxation was only a few steps away? Could your porch become your favorite destination? Would a pergola swing encourage more time outdoors? Can thoughtful design improve everyday experiences? What memories could be created around a beautiful swing? How much value can comfort truly add to a home? Let's discover the answer together. Imagine how even one meaningful improvement could enhance your lifestyle and daily enjoyment. What if your dream outdoor relaxation spot is easier to create than you think? Do you really need a huge backyard to enjoy a beautiful swing? Can a small porch still feel luxurious and inviting? What affordable upgrades make the biggest difference? Could the right swing completely change how you use your outdoor space? Why do simple designs often create the most memorable experiences? The answer might inspire your very next outdoor makeover. Think about one improvement you've always wanted to make outdoors, and imagine how it could enhance your everyday life. At the beginning of this video, we asked whether one simple addition could completely transform a porch, pergola, or backyard space. Now, you know the answer. The right outdoor swing does far more than provide seating. It creates comfort, encourages relaxation, brings people together, and adds personality to your outdoor environment. Whether your style is rustic, modern, bohemian, classic, or luxurious, there's a swing design capable of turning an ordinary space into a destination you'll enjoy every day. The most beautiful outdoor spaces aren't always the largest or most expensive. They're the ones designed around comfort, connection, and moments worth remembering. And sometimes, all it takes to create that feeling is the perfect outdoor swing.